In Pakistan, it's the war on violent extremists that usually makes headlines.
But now the government is waging a new fight.
A war on what the government has deemed obscene and offensive language in text messages.
In a notice sent out to cell phone carriers, the government has called for nearly 1,700 words to be banned from text messages.
The lengthy list includes the run-of-the-mill expletives.
The F word was banned, I heard.
Some of the words should be banned.
This is a Muslim government, so a Muslim government should ban those words which are very abusing in the language.
But it's hundreds of seemingly tame words and phrases on the ban list that have many Pakistanis puzzled.
I have no idea where this idea came from.
Yes, it is confusing.
Words like taxi, a term sometimes used to refer to prostitutes, idiot, drunk, showtime, Satan, and flatulence.
Probably many people don't even know what it is, like except for doctors maybe.
I thought it was a stupid idea.
Some of those words were just weird. I mean, no sense of banning those words.
There are basic major issues going on in this country, and this is not something, it's just a topic.
A spokesman for Pakistan's telecommunication authority wouldn't go on camera, but he said the government is banning these words to serve the public interest by cutting down on spam and unsolicited messages.
A quick test showed for now you can still text message the banned words.
Did you get it?
Including the medical term for excessive gas.
Flatulence.
But perhaps not for long. The Pakistani government wants cell phone carriers to block the banned words starting this week. Reza Sayah, CNN, Islamabad.